Okay. Screen share. Okay. You can see the screen, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So join your hands. Om Shavana Bhavatu. Om Shahanau Bhunaktu. Saha Viryam Karvavahai. Tejashvi Navaditamastu. Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti
Shanti.
Shanti. Very good. Okay, now we'll do the pledge. Can you put your hands straight? Yes.
India is my country, and all Indians are my brothers
and sisters.
I love
my
country
and I am
of
proud
its rich and
heritage.
heritage.
I shall always strive
Serve to be worthy. I shall give my parents, teachers, elders respect and treat everybody with
courtesy.
courtesy.
My
To
country
my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and
Humanity
prosperity alone lies my happiness.
Very good. Sit down, dear. So, today we'll be making first the hand puppet, okay? Finger puppet.
Oh, I remember that you showed us.
Yeah, we
like
could not
first
do
class.
it because of the time. So, we'll be doing this finger puppet and you will be drawing whichever animal you like to do. You can draw jokers also, no problem, okay? But we'll be learning how to do this finger puppets. We can have 5 at a time and can play, role play, okay? Fine. And one more thing, you are going to make these and click a picture and send me, email me, okay?
Can I make a flower?
Yeah, you can make a flower also. We'll be making everything, flowers, animals, jokers, whatever you like, okay? Fine? Okay. So, we'll be using the used paper. If you have the used paper,
Mama, don't have the used paper.
okay, fine.
Even I.
What you do, you cut the paper into half like this. Cut the paper into half.
What color?
Whichever color you like, ma. Whichever color you like to do. Choose any color. Yeah, fine. Yes, just make it half.
Shall I cut? Oh,
Yeah, cut it. Yeah, cut. Be careful. Okay, now you're going to fold again and you're going to fold again like this and cut out like this. Take out one piece.
How to do that?
Yeah, just take the sheet, fold it. Vanshika, look at me.
I'm looking.
Yeah, just little bit, okay?
Which side should we fold? This side?
Yeah, the downside, any side. See, any side you can fold. This side also or this side. Just take a piece of...
This way?
Yeah. Yeah, cut one. With that line you can see a line like this. Yes, fold and make a line and cut it through.
How to fold it?
Yeah, now cut it. This way you cut that whole thing. Okay. See, you want to get this strip?
I am
Can I
not very good at cutting.
Okay, that's not a problem. Now, after you take out the strip, you fold it once again like this.
Can
You'll
you
get
show
two
me again?
folds. Yeah. Can
Can
you?
you show me how did
Yes.
you fold it?
Yes. Fold just from the middle.
How?
Fold it like from the middle. Join these two sides.
This
Two
way.
corners. Yes. Two corners should be equal. Yeah. Now fold it like this.
Huh? How? How?
Yeah, that's okay. You have done it.
How do
Now
you do
cut
that?
it from the middle.
How
Cut
to
it.
do that?
It's okay. You have done it already. I can see you have done it. Yeah. Now what you do, you're going to cut it from this. You can see the line.
Yeah.
Cut it. And get this.
Okay. Okay.
Got me, Twisha? Yes, cut it from the middle and get one piece like this. One big rectangle.
This way?
Yes. Now, just take one of your finger, roll it. Roll, see how much it takes. How much the paper is needed to roll your finger, like this.
My sitting this much.
Okay. Now you're going to mark it. You're going to fold it this way and mark it. Okay. And then you're going to cut that much. The rest we are not going to use right now. Okay. See how I'm cutting it. See the rest one I'm not going to use it right now.
How
I'm
did
going to
you do that? Show me.
Yes, see here. You're folding the paper, right? After there is a fold, there's little bit of paper left like this, right? Whichever is left, you cut that rest of the paper and keep it aside. We need a cylinder like this. We need a cylinder like this.
I don't know how to do it.
Look here, ma. This is your finger. You want to roll it like this. See, this is the extra paper I am having. I'm going to cut it from here straight. And take this out and keep it aside. Did you get me? Try. No? Okay. Do one thing. You make it half. Show me your paper. Show me your paper. Yeah. Just fold it half. One more. Yes. Now cut it.
Cut it
See
where?
the extra one. The extra one you need to cut. You just need the measurement of your finger. Just the measurement of your finger. You don't need the extra one. So we are going to just tie it like
Should
this.
I cut it on the middle? Where is the
Yeah,
line?
where's the mark? Yeah, please do that. Cut it from the mark. Fold it and make a mark. If you don't find it easy, just fold and make a mark and cut it straight. So I need this much only. I don't need the rest of the paper. Yes, you got it? Yeah. So we are going to make two like this. With the rest of the paper, we are going to make one more.
It's
Can you do
still
that,
big.
Trisha? Yeah.
It's
You can
big.
fold it. Yeah. So what are we going to do now? With this paper, we are going to put the glue at one side. We are going to put the glue at one side. Vanshika, put the glue.
Show me how.
Yeah, see here, I put the glue.
Okay. Take it. Yeah. 'Cause 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 'c
You can see?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, now should I stick it?
Yeah, now stick it. Stick it over it like a cylinder. It should, your finger should go inside. Don't make it too small. Just see, check whether your finger is going inside like this.
It's going inside.
Yeah, very nice. See, just press it hard so that it does not open.
I'm pressing.
Okay?
Like
Yeah,
this?
got it? Yes, very nice. Yeah, very good. So we are going to make
Then
one
we
more
need
like
to
this.
draw something and stick it here.
Yeah, we're going to do that. Can we do one more like this? Fast? Yeah? Without my help? No, you have to do it. You're
No, I
you're a
don't want
brave
to do
girl.
it.
Yeah,
No.
you have to do it. No.
No. No.
1, 2, 3, start. Okay, let me see who goes first. Twisha or Vanshika? Fast.
Mom, I'm done.
You're done? Very nice. Okay. Where's Vanshika? You're done? Take the rest of the paper. Take the other paper. Keep it aside for drying. Keep those 2 cylinders aside for drying. Okay. Now take the rest of the paper which you left after cutting. Yes. We are going to draw. We are going to draw.
I'm done.
Okay. So we are going to draw a flower. Or you can draw a pig face.
Then
With a pencil you draw first. Okay.
can I draw with marker?
Marker, don't use marker now.
Okay, I'm
You
drawing.
use a pencil right now. Draw a flower or a pig or a sheep, whatever you like. Okay. Or a joker. Yeah.
Show me.
Yeah. See here, like this.
Mom, I want to draw a girl face.
Yeah, you can draw a girl, you can draw a flower, you can draw a, what's this? A sheep. Yeah, anything you want to draw, you can.
Done. Mom, I'm not done.
Done? Okay, what have you drawn? Very
flower.
nice. Okay, now you're going to use your sketch pen. Suppose I am I have drawn a flower. I have drawn a flower. Flowers, okay? So I am going to color it pink and blue. So use whatever color you like to put.
Okay. I'm very good at coloring.
Yeah.
Okay. The first moment I opened, June, July, August, all those were good. Now
Then I will use
Have you finished? Draw the outline like this. Yeah, and color it inside. Yeah, very good. Twisha, very nice. So I'm going to color it pink. Very nice. Yeah, just draw the inside line. Inside. Draw the outline inside.
Okay. But I need to do something.
So my little sunflower, my flower is ready. Are you all ready with the flower?
I'm
Look
ready.
here.
See? One like this.
Yeah, beautiful. Very nice. Okay. So we have to do two things, right? We have made two we have made two cylinders. So we are going to make one flower and any other thing you want to draw of your choice.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
What do you want to draw? You want to draw a pig?
I'm gonna draw rainbow.
A rainbow? Okay, draw a rainbow. Or you can draw, okay, let's draw a rainbow. How do we draw? What do you want to draw, Twisha?
I want to draw an ice cream.
Ice cream, fine. So I'm going to show you how. Look, the ice cream cone, okay? We are going to draw an ice cream cone. Look, you can draw it like this, okay? Or a rainbow.
Mom, I want to draw both.
Boat.
A rainbow and a flower with a ice cream. I want to draw
Okay, look, we have only two cylinders, right? Fingers for that. So we'll make it two and you make more and click pictures and send me whatever you like, okay? Okay, for today, we'll draw only two. Yeah, the rainbow, fine. Color it, very nice.
I'm gonna color it like a real rainbow.
See, yeah, we can draw the rainbow like this.
Wow. Guys, I don't see bread. Bread for this, have it so using Neon shades. Pink, like a neon orange, which is my favorite, and it's the color is pretty much from the light blue. Mom, can you show me your rainbow? Now I need green or blue. Green, please. Yellow. I need yellow. Green, not yellow. The yellows are not strong too. I don't. Yellow, green. I Mom, can I color any color for the rainbow?
Yeah, whichever color you like. Orange, red, yellow, blue, violet. Do it fast.
You just need I'm done coloring.
Yeah, finish coloring. Very good. Okay.
I'm gonna outline.
And yeah, fine. Okay. Now we are going to cut these into the outline. Okay. Through the outline, we are going to cut it and take it out. Okay. Let's do it. Where is Vanchika?
I'm right here.
Yeah, cut it.
I'm going to cut this.
Yeah, cut it.
My teacher is a professional student, anything.
So cut through the outline only. Okay. This way. Yeah, very nice. Tishwan, and now what you going to do? You're going to stick it over this like this. Okay, glue it and stick. Vanchika, you're done?
No,
Vanchika?
still cutting.
Okay, just do one. So we are going to glue it at the back and we are going to paste it, okay? This way. Yeah. So press it hard so that it does not come out. You can cut the rainbow and stick it.
See, we did it. I did it.
Okay, done. Vanshika, you're done.
No. Okay. This one. Two racks. I don't want to move that.
See, I have two. So this is the thing it will look like, okay? You can make all 5 and all 10. Vanshika, where are you?
Right here.
Yeah. Have you stuck the thing? Stick it like this. Yeah. Now put it in your finger. Yeah. Just put it in the front like this. You want to show to the people. Yes. Yes.
And then
Did
my
you like it?
first finger puppet.
Yeah, it's a hand finger puppet.
I'm gonna cut the second one and stick it on.
Okay. We'll do it later on, Vanshika. We'll do it later. You're going to show me how many you can make. You can make 10. Okay. For 10 fingers, you can make 10.
No.
Okay. Because we have to dance also.
I only want two.
Oh, very nice. Show me.
Mama. 5.
Yeah, you can make 5.
Show me.
You.
Well, that's
Oh.
beautiful.
Very nice. So we'll just go for a break. Okay. There are lot many things I want to do with you today. So finish this. Keep it aside. And make and click pictures and send me, okay?
Mom, what about this paper?
Yeah, we'll use it. Keep it. We'll make another beautiful thing, okay? Okay, Vanshika, you
Yeah.
can go for a break. Both of you can go back for a break. Come back. Yeah.
Mom, I'm done.
You're done? Vanshika would like to go for a break?
Mom, Vanshika went somewhere. I saw her going somewhere.
Okay. So, we are going to make an origami house. We are reading about the house, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So, we are going to make a origami house.
With this paper only?
Yeah, with this paper only.
Ma'am, can I draw a nice house?
Okay, no, we are not going to draw. First, we are going to dance. Dance.
Ma'am, sound is not coming. I can't hear the
Make a
song.
rainbow.
Ma'am, you
Let's
need to
dance.
get the
Song.
computer sound.
Can all see?
Ma'am,
I can see, but I can't hear.
Yeah. Tell me.
on the drop down box, there will be this more option.
Just a minute. Yeah.
Yeah, and then share computer sound.
It's not coming.
I can't hear the song.
Just a minute. What happened? Teju, why it's not showing again?
You have stopped screen sharing.
Yeah.
Click on share screen.
Yeah, done.
And then before you start the video, when you move your cursor up, there will be this drop down. There in that last, you have the more option.
Yeah, that I know.
There share computer
Yeah.
sound.
Ma'am, I wanted new tools.
Now? Play.
I like a kite, I feel strong as a tiger and as big as a giraffe, so high, and I jump like a kangaroo, swim, I come up to you, I take your hand if that's okay, and I say, such a beautiful day. Such a beautiful day. Such a beautiful day. Such a beautiful day. Then I fly like a kite. I feel strong as a tiger and as big as a giraffe. So high, and I jump like a kangaroo, swim, I come up to you, I take your hand if that's okay, and I say, such a beautiful day, such a beautiful day, such a beautiful day, such a beautiful day. Then I fly like a kite. I feel strong as a tiger and as big as a giraffe. So high, and I jump like a kangaroo. Swim, I come up to you. I take your hand if that's okay, and I say, such a beautiful day. Such a beautiful day. Such a beautiful day. Such a beautiful day. Then I fly like a kite. I feel strong as a tiger and as big as a giraffe. So high. Jump like a kangaroo, swim, I come up to you, I take your hand if that's okay, and I say, such a beautiful day, such a beautiful day, such a beautiful day, such a beautiful day.
You told that you put new tools.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
you told that you put new rules.
Few rules I'm going to do it. Okay? Don't worry. Yeah. So now we are going to make a origami house like this.
Oh, Mom,
Okay.
show me, I love.
Show me. I'm going to show you.
Show.
Wow, isn't it? Okay, now after we make this, we are going to stick it another paper like this, and we are going to draw a big tree and a garden. Okay, so first let us learn how to do this origami house. Okay.
Yellow color.
Oh, whatever color you need. Yes, yes.
I'll do red.
Yeah. Fine. So take any color. Twisha, you can take any color. Pink. Yeah, you can take the pink color.
Taking yellow.
The yellow color. First of all, you have to learn to make a square from a long paper. You have to learn to make a square. Okay, I'm going to help you to make a square.
One day I made it in my real school.
You have made it in the real school?
Are we
Okay.
going to fold it or glue it?
See what I'm going to do. First of all, you want to take this paper and hold one corner and fold it half this way.
Ma'am, which paper?
You have a paper, separate paper like this.
Yes.
Okay, first of all, you do one thing. You make it smaller. You fold it this way. The big paper.
Mama, already this way?
Yeah, okay. Then,
See.
Trisha,
See,
you
ma'am.
can do, yeah, you can do one thing. See here, how will you do? Take the half sheet of paper and fold it like this.
Mama, I cannot see. This way?
See?
Like this?
Yeah, correct. Very true. Okay, now this you want to fold again. Rest of the paper fold
Do
it
I
this
need
way.
to do that?
Yeah, you need to do that.
Should I make a square?
Yeah, we are going to make a square. See, this is a square. Okay, so we are going to cut this part. We are going to cut this part.
How did you do that? That's so easy.
Yeah, got it? Now, very nice. Okay.
Show me.
Okay, now what we are going to do, we have a square now, okay? So we are going to fold it again this way.
Mom, like this?
Yeah. But try to join the lines, okay? Check with the lines. It should be neat. All the corners should be equal. Yeah, now fold it. Fold it. This way. Fold it from the middle. Yeah, fine. Done. Okay, again you fold it the other side. Make a small square. Okay. Now you got a middle line here. Yeah. So we are going to take this part and join like this.
Show me. How did you
We
do
are
that?
going to fold this in the middle. Press it little bit so that a line appears. And we are going to fold it like this.
I have now.
Yes. Yeah. So show me this way, Twisha. Make this and show me. Yes. Is it joining in the straight line?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Vanshika, where are you? Okay, now Twisha, we are going to open and take one of the fingers inside. See this way. And make a triangle fold. We give a
Can you show
triangle
me
fold.
what you just did? What you just did?
Yeah, see here. You have done this?
Ma'am.
Yeah. Now we are going to open one part, put our finger inside and press it so that we can get a triangle shape. Yeah, very good. See, she has already done it. Yeah, do it.
See your finger.
See here. Look, you have the folds here, right? You are going to open one fold, put your finger inside and press it like this.
Open that whole thing. Mom, can I decorate this?
Yeah, you are going to make windows and doors out of it. Wait, I'll show you how you do. This way. See, your door can open also and can close also. So make the door this way. Yeah.
I cannot see the door properly.
Now you can see.
Yes, ma'am.
See, when you close it, your door also closes. Vanshika, you're done?
Done. Ma'am.
Yeah. I'll just do one more thing and I'll show you something. Wait.
Why are you crying? Ask teacher. No, did you ask? What she said?
See here. Make it this way.
See. One minute. I'm doing it.
Why, Vanshika, why are you crying? I'm here. Tell me where you are stuck.
See this done. What you see that? Tell the teacher, na beta.
Yeah, come here.
Come, I'm doing it. Sit in the place. Yeah. So first make the roof.
Vanshika, come here. I'll show you once again. Come here.
It is just like this. These are one hour. Come and sit here. Otherwise, teacher will be ready. Ask teacher.
Okay. Vanshika, come here. I'll show you once more how to fold. Give the fold. Come here. Don't cry.
Show it again.
Now we are going to color this. Vanshika, I can't see you, dear. Where are you? Vanshika?
Mom, I'm done.
You're done. Vanshika, I want to see yours also. See, yeah, now you want to color this way.
Mom, any color?
Any color, whichever color you have, you can color. Vanshika. So do it this way. Vanshika, show me. Come here, dear. See, we have done. Yeah. Just keep it like this so that it looks very much like your home. Okay. Don't press it. Just leave it loose. Show me. Show me yours. Yes. Very nice. Very. Yeah, Vanshika, come here. Why are you crying? I'm here to solve everything. Come here. Come here.
See, ma'am is calling.
Come here. See, we have made that. You already made it.
Come in the front of camera. Teacher should be able to see you, beta. No, camera should be on. Camera should be on.
Okay. So now, Trisha, we are going to take one more paper. Vanshika, look here.
Mom,
We are going to stick it here. Okay.
Can I stick it in the book only?
Yeah, you can stick it in your book, drawing book, anywhere.
It's not my drawing book, all the craft.
Okay, just be careful with one thing. The house color and the background should not be same. It should be different.
I'm using these two colors.
Yeah, fine. Stick it little down. Stick it little down because we are going to make a big tree here. Okay. Vanshika, yeah, stick it. Vanshika, come. So interesting thing we are doing. Come. Where are you? Just put little glue. Don't put much. Okay.
Redraw.
Yeah. See, yeah, it will be like this. Oh, how pretty it is. See? Beautiful. Come, sit down. Now you stick it in a big paper. Very beautiful. I want to see you, dear. Where are you? You doing a peekaboo with me?
Mom, please, the side of the camera.
Yeah. Now what we are going to do with our pencil? Yeah, yes, stick it. Show me your face. No, I want to see your face. No, I want to see your face. Don't cry. Yeah, stick it. Okay, we are going to draw a tree. See, from the side, we're going to draw a tree from here, okay? Not from here, from here.
On my own.
Yeah, you draw your own. Look at it, children. I'll just show you. I'll do the outline. Then you'll be able to. See here. Look. You can see the birds are flying. The clouds are there. Okay. You draw something like this. You can draw this also or anything of your imagination.
Same idea.
Yeah.
This was my same idea.
Okay. So you're going to draw these birds. You're going to draw this cloud and color it yourself. Okay. Vanchika, did you see how am I drawing? Yeah. So after you finish it, Twisha and Vanchika, just put your little finger inside this and make it little loose so that it looks exactly a 3D house. It looks as if it is coming out. See, it looks like the original house. See, isn't it? Yeah, you're going to finish this. Click a picture and show me, okay?
Show it to you now only. After
Yeah, you're going to do it now only. We're going to finish it. I'm also coloring with you.
Mama.
Why you need your mama?
What?
I need more glue.
You need more glue? Where's the glue bottle? It was there here.
No, you took it.
No, I didn't took it.
Yeah.
Enough?
So we are going to do it something like this, okay? And we are going to fill it inside.
Colored like
Yeah. Show me, Visha, show me yours.
just coloring.
Yeah, finish the coloring. Vanchika, I want to see yours also. Mix two colors, okay? Mix two colors, a dark green and a light green. Very nice. Draw a tree. Draw a tree like this.
a red bird.
Okay. See, you can draw it this way also.
Mom,
Yeah. Just show me. Beautiful. Very nice. It's done. See how beautiful it is. Trisha is done. Where is Vanshika? Where are you?
should I leave it loose? This part?
Yeah, just put your finger inside like this and just pull it up a little bit. Okay? Yes.
Like this?
See, yes. See how beautiful? Isn't it? Now you want to write my home. What do you want to write?
My home.
My home. Vanshika, I want to see yours. So, we can play a role play like this. A puppet, we can say, yes, very nice. My home. Color it, okay? See here. We can do like this. Where are you want to go? The sunflower says, I want to go to my home. So, I'm going to my home. This is my home. Yes, beautiful home. Yeah, now you want to tell story to your father, mother, brother, whoever there is, your friends. Where you want to go? I want to go to my home. Come, let's go to the home.
I have a small sister. I can tell her that story.
Yeah, you can tell the story. Okay, yes. So we are all going to the home, the flower and the...
I'm making one more of ice cream.
Yeah, you can make as many you want. Right? Vanshika, you'll be able to tell a story now? Yes? See here. This is my home, the flower says. Now the ship goes and says, where are you going? Where are you going? The flower says, I'm going to my home. Yeah, so you can make many stories. Okay, children. So, you liked it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it's time. My time is over now. We'll see you again tomorrow at the same time. You enjoyed doing that? Vanshika, you enjoyed doing it? I can't see you. Okay, so bye for now. Tomorrow again. Bye. Finish it and send me pictures, okay?
Okay,
With lot many finger puppets. Okay?
ma'am, the finger puppet is sticking on the house.
Oh yeah. Okay. It is there. It doesn't want to go away from the house. Okay? Yeah, very nice. You want to send me all pictures?
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.